Here is the movie of this broken bumper, dented hood, and then also broken fender. I start from here after I remove the tapes, though this was not taped before. This is it, and then it is also broken from inside. This is the broken part where it has to be fastened, and I'm not sure if it will be fixed properly. This area, this is all shattered, this, and then this right there. It has also this broken piece. Then there's a crack here. Some of the pins are broken here. This area. Now here you go. This is a plastic fender that has to be fixed. Then this was badly shattered. This area, we fixed this from here as well. Then this part, this is a separate piece, but it has to be fixed as well. This one. And yeah, we have taped it, and after we finish this, there is another thing which I just wanted to highlight. This part. There is a big dent. That's why we removed this grill from here. So when it's going to be painted, then it will be a final look. Right now, this is what it is. So here you go. This is after. This is the area right here which was shattered into very small pieces, and all was fixed. Some crack here and some crack right here, which is all fixed. It looks like brand new. Let's see the look. Beautifully painted, brand new, all good.